Pantum cartridges and Samsung cartridges are very similar. Same shape, similar drum, probably the same technology. But do they use the same toner as well? What if I refill a Pantum toner cartridge using Samsung toner? Samsung toner is easier to find and cheaper. For this test, I'll use a standard black universal Samsung toner. I'm going to refill a PA210 Pantum toner cartridge. Remove all the old toner. It's better to use toner vacuum or compressed air. The cleaner the cartridge, the better the print quality. Do not breathe the toner powder. Now I refill the Pantum cartridge with Samsung toner. 60 grams of toner are enough. Do not overfill the cartridge, it's useless. Reinstall the plug. Reassemble the cartridge. I insert the cartridge into the printer. Then we start printing. The first sheet is good. Still good quality. I'll make a dozen of prints. I examine the result. No grey background on the sheet. The black has a nice dark tone. Toner adherence is solid. Let's check the drum. There is no toner on the drum, so no excessive waste toner. It seems to work. This doesn't guarantee it will perform exactly like the original toner, but if you are desperate, it works.